base metal prices are again stronger this morning, reassured actually that the Federal Reserve would keep their policy loose, and because the United States President Joe Biden pumped up the outlook for the US by saying that the country is ready for a takeoff. Well, a takeoff is also what copper has been performing this morning. We have been almost reached $10,000 a ton. We were 50 cents far away this morning. So actually the highest 3 months price was $9,999.50. So it hasn't reached 10,000 yet, but it seems to be actually a question of time when that will take place. Right now we are a little bit below at $9,940 a ton. That is still a plus of 0.9%. Aluminium is also doing quite well this morning, trading at $2,418 for the moment. Nickel is going up by 1%, trading at $17,560 a ton. Zinc is also going up by 1%, trading at $2,955 a ton. Lead is just similar like his sister metal zinc, 1% plus, trading at 2,116, and tin is again the biggest gainer this morning, trading at $28,600. So it's quite a performing LME again this morning. Obviously, each small price correction is being used for some new buying activities on the market. Volumes are again quite high. Already at 6 a.m. London time this morning, we had more than 9,000 lots traded so far. So that was more than 2,000 lots compared to yesterday. The precious metal prices are also up this morning. Gold is up at $1,784 the ounce. Palladium is up by 1% at $2,950 the ounce. Platinum is at 1,226. That is more than 0.5%. And the same thing for silver, which is also up by 0.5%, trading at $26.38 the ounce. On the Treasury market, we can see that the US 10-year Treasury is almost unchanged, still trading at 1.63%. That is just below what we saw yesterday at 1.64. On the other side, we can see that the dollar is also losing momentum, especially after this Federal Reserve meeting. The US dollar index is quoting at 90.58 this morning. We have been at the same time yesterday at 91.04, which means, of course, that the euro and some other major currencies are trading higher this morning. The euro has been able to keep his support at 121. We are right now around 121.15 against the dollar. The British pound is at 139.55, and the dollar against the yen is at 108.67. That is, of course, a poorer dollar is, as we know, also pushing up the metal prices, since most of the financing deals on the LME are taking place in the US dollar currency. Having a brief look on the economic calendar, we can see that the German consumer prices index have climbed the CPI. The import prices and unemployment changes are coming out today. We will have also the European Union M3 money supply and private loan figures coming out. And later on this afternoon from the United States, we'll have the US gross domestic product coming out, the GDP prices, the initial jobless claims, and also the pending home sales. So the recent show of strength on the London Metal Exchange metals continues, with tin and also with zinc joining now copper and aluminium in pushing up to the new multi-year highs, with actually lead and nickel playing a little bit more catch up. The general sentiment and general view on the market remains basically the same. The path of least resistance is remaining to the upside for the moment. But at these levels, we can definitely expect some price corrections. And we expect that the catalyst for that would be primarily correction on the equity markets. But for the moment, the market seems to have no appetite for that. It's going up, which is definitely a good sign for a quick recovery of the worldwide economy.